Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have brought a new testnet project for you, which is named Bulk, which is a DeFi project. Bulk basically is a DEX platform built on Solana. They already have 33k followers here, and if you check their funding, they have already raised 8 million. And the best part is their airdrop is confirmed, so I think you shouldn't miss the chance. Also, if you look at their investors, you can see many tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 investors here. Before I show you how you can participate, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join this airdrop, you simply have to come to this page, which is their trading platform. Now here we have to do trading. Many of you might say that for trading we need USDT, meaning funds. But since this is a testnet, you don't need any funds here. What you need to do is click on the login button that you will see at the top. After clicking, you will get the option to connect your wallet. One more thing I want to tell you is that this project is built on Solana. So you need to connect your Solana wallet. So I am connecting my Phantom wallet here. Then click on connect. Then click on continue without ledger. After that, a sign in request will appear, so confirm the request. And done, our wallet has been connected. After that, you will see welcome to Bulk Testnet with some instructions. Simply click next. Again click next. Now you will receive testnet funds, which are test tokens, also called faucet. Now you will get the faucet. Simply click confirm. Now you will see the option to claim USDC and enter. The USDC we are going to claim will be used for trading through this faucet. And now we have received 10,000 mock USDC, which we will use for trading in today's video. If you already do trading, you will understand this. As you can see below, my total liquidity is $10,000. So here, like any trading platform, you can trade. For example, you can choose buy long or sell short. If you think the market will go up, you will buy long. If you think the market will go down, you can sell short. For example, I'll just show you how you can trade. First, here you can select your pair. For example, I'll keep the default BTC/USD. Then enter the amount you want to trade. Let's select 100. Then let's buy long. So I just showed you an example. You can use limit or market options like you trade on any trading platform. So here at the bottom you see your running trades, your profit or losses. So that's it here. Also, one more important thing is you need to join their Discord. I'll provide the link in the video description. So accept the invite. Then click on complete. Then agree to the terms and then submit. Then click on verify. Then solve the CAPTCHA and then submit. And now you are verified. So after that, what you need to do is just stay active on their Discord server and try to grab some roles which helps you to qualify for their airdrop. So that's it for this video. Please like and share this video. And if you are coming for the first time to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.